I'm Jolene from Resolution Retreats. The team at Fresh Start and My Food Bag just asked me to do a quick video for you with some tips and tricks on snacks and getting organised for this week. Most people are going back to work this week. So some healthy snack ideas. Eating healthier doesn't have to be hard. I know it seems really hard most of the time. That's why you probably love My Food Bag. But we've got some really great snack ideas here. So I'm going to go through them with you so that you can have to think about what you could organise for your fridge today or tomorrow. So what we've got here is cherry tomatoes. So cherry tomatoes and some big chunks of cheese, a really delicious snack option. Make sure that you get a decent amount of cheese so that you've got the protein element of your dish. Other things that you can have ready to go, guacamole. Avocado is really high in good fats, but it's also a fantastic source of protein. Have that ready to go with some crackers. I've got some here that I've made myself. You don't have to make them yourselves. Look for the ones that are lower in salt. These ones are seed crackers, so they're just made from seeds and chia seeds and water, really easy. We've got some feta and spinach dip there. That one's a high protein feta version. Really awesome. Look out for it at the supermarket. I know a lot of you love My Food Bag because of that it's so simple and so easy, and it makes your life really easy. And all the ladies on our retreats feel the same way. So around 70% of the ladies at our retreat have tried My Food Bag or get it on a regular basis. So it's a really good sign that people need easy and convenient. One of the things that you can do for go-to really easy snack ideas for the fridge, the old humble egg. So boil some eggs, peel the eggs, put salt and pepper on them and put them into a big container so that they're grab and go, ready to go convenient snacks. Really great source of fats and also a fantastic source of protein. Gonna keep you and your family fuller for longer. If you're a little bit like me and you often stand in front of the fridge wondering what to have for lunch, the more things you have chopped and ready to go in advance, the more likely you are to eat them. So for example, these carrot and capsicums here might sit in my fridge for well over 10 days. If I chop them, however, they're much likely to go faster in my household. So I've got some capsicums there and some carrots ready, chopped and ready to go. Maybe pop just a damp little towel over the top of them, and that will keep them really fresh for all of this week. Another idea I've got here is smoothies for your on-the-go breakfast, perhaps while you're sitting on traffic and that kind of thing. Get your smoothies ready to go. In here we've got some protein powder, we've got some berries, we've got some frozen spinach, and we've got some nuts and seeds. All it needs is the water. Throw that into the freezer. If you've got lots of these containers, you could even make 4 or 5 of them ready to go for the week to come, or you could put them in little freezer bags and just have them organized and ready to go. Another thing that's really awesome in my household is that we eat lots of salad if it's ready to go. So similar to what I said about chopping in advance, are these awesome little salad packs that you can get from the supermarket. This one's a big one for family, but you can get smaller ones as well. These are fantastic to pack for lunches. Once you actually buy these, I think they're about $4 each, the smaller ones, and you buy a protein sauce and pop it with some of these cherry tomatoes or something like that. It comes with everything that you need, but you just need to add some protein into it. It's a really great way to get you to take more salads to work without you having to get them ready in the morning. Another really cool idea as a protein option, which is fantastic to go with the snacks to keep you going all day, is get some falafel, roll it into balls and pop it in the freezer. Take it to work and all you have to do is pop it in the microwave to defrost and then pop it with your salad for lunch. The salads usually come with a dressing as well, so you're good to go. The last thing that I just wanted to highlight this coming week when we all head back to work is to drink more water. Keep your blood pressure nice and stable and drink lots of water to keep hydrated and keep your brain ticking along. I know it's going to be difficult for the first week back for some of us. A good tip and trick, I've got my SodaStream bottle here. I've written on the side there different times, so 10 a.m, 12 p.m, 2 p.m, and 5 p.m. So once I've gotten to the end of this bottle, I refill it, and by 2 p.m. I should have drunk into here. By 5 p.m. I should have drunk into here. It's just a wee reminder for me that if I get to 5 p.m. and I'm still only up to here, I need to scull a little bit more water. So snacks, just like your meals with my food bag, is all about getting organised. When you go back to work this week, do yourself a favour and get organised in advance. Sunday's a fantastic day to do that, and it doesn't need to be difficult. You don't need to make everything from scratch. It's all about having things that are convenient and easy to use. If you make something that you find you don't eat, it's not convenient enough. For example, if I was to put a packet of boiled eggs into my family fridge, if I was to leave the shell on a boiled egg, they won't get eaten. Whereas if I peel it for them and put salt and pepper on them, they eat the boiled eggs. It just goes to show that convenience is key when we're all so busy and we want to eat healthier, but we're trying to find ways to fit healthy food into our day. So good luck for this week. Kia kaha New Zealand, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon at Resolution Retreats.